signature look. Like something in your costume or the way you put yourself together be your signature, so others can know.
Oh, Lauren, you can start.
Like an everyday signature look, or just like?
Oh, okay.
I think for me on stage, I think is the like lipstick is having like a dark lipstick or like a red or some sort of. I think that's starting to become my signature on stage.
My favorite one on you is the dark neon.
Thanks.
I love the dark neon.
But yeah, I think that would. All right. Cowboy boots. Now that is probably double. I think mine would definitely. I was gonna say, two girls here today, they made me a black bow. You know the one that I lost that I was like, How was you?
No, they're outside with us. They're so excited to see you.
Well, I just wanted to say thanks.
Okay, my signature would definitely have to be anything that has like rhinestones. Rhinestones are like sequins, anything that basically sparkles in a taxi. So yeah.
Mine would have to be probably a neon pink lip. I love that. Oh no, you're fine, I do that. And or what? I love your girlfriend. Or I feel like I had it. Oh, anything neon. Yeah. Neon pink lip or anything neon on mine.
I'm like all over the place because I don't know. On stage I like to wear snapbacks.
You got your
Huh? Oh yeah, chains.
Swag,
Big
girl.
chains. I have so many things, huh?
Big ears.
Yeah. I didn't wear them today because my ears like sore, too big. Yeah. So I'd say my thing is like the snapback because I like the gold kitty ears. And yeah, I love gold. I always wear gold. Gold is my thing.
And your shoes.
My gold shoes. Okay, yeah, she's sitting for me. So.
Those are swag.
Literally all over this. Oh, and I love sequins. I sometimes wear them.
Basically, she loves everything.
Yeah, I basically took everything, sorry.
Ta-da!
Okay, as you know, my voice is a little shoddy, so I wanted to maybe bring somebody out. Please welcome Jackson Harris, who's going to ask the next question. Come on out.
Jackson!
How are you girls?
Hi!
I have our little bus with 5 dudes. I know what that's like living on a bus with 5 dudes. What's it like living on a bus with 4 other girls?
Well, it's 4 other girls plus. Like,
Nice.
There's 12 of us that live on the
There's
bus.
actually more girls.
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
more girls than just us.
There's more girls, and then there's like 2 guys. So I think honestly, that person should go to those 2 guys.
It's like an episode of Jersey Shore, basically.
Oh, him too. 3 now.
I know, it's one of the pantry. Can we have a little cabinet thingy for the food and stuff? And yeah, everybody like always jumps into like the cabinet. So I think it's what the little cabinet thingy.
Oh,
It's
the
in
pantry?
Pantry. Okay, pantry. I think it's a cabinet because it's so small.
It is. I just didn't know what it should have.
But yeah, I think we like kind of like take each other's cereals sometimes. It depends because we race to the like the.
We learn. If there's a name on it, you won't touch it.
Yeah.
He likes my
I don't know if
cereal.
that makes
I think-
sense.
I don't have that problem.
Okay, I think it's fun. Like it's fun. It's like you can like visit each other's bunks. Like one time, me and Monty watched Raven together. It was so fun. And you just have a lot of people to talk to, which is cool. And we also respect each other, which is a really big, very important part. And like living together, pretty much respect each other. So yeah.
I think it's really fun, except we kind of have problems sometimes because there's so many people, or like we get on the bus and we're so tired that we have so much traffic, we like bump into each other.
I'm like,
Sometimes
girl,
we can't keep the back.
Move, get out the way.
But what
I
you
said, move, get out the way.
That is literally the theme song.
You're with
That's my theme song.
You're with me too much. I love you. I'm wanting for the best. by the bus.
Oh yeah, there's no internet.
The way
We're always on our
We have
phone.
Wi-Fi on the bus, but since everybody's on it at the same time, like it will literally say unable to connect and keep connecting.
Yeah.
But to be honest, it's not that intense because we're here at the venue and then we go to hotel, so we just sleep there and we're in our bunks in our little caves like little hermit crabs. So that's basically, yeah. Besides the cereal and the traffic, it's all fun and games.
Surprisingly, like 3 feet a little bit bigger than me. The bunks. Well, I mean, because Allie fits in it so perfectly because she's so tiny.
I tweeted about that the other day. I was like, I'm glad I'm short on the bus because, you know, I
Sometimes, oh yeah, since I have like so many stuff at the end of my bunk, because I have so much stuff at the end, I had to like let my legs go outside of the bunk. Like I sleep with my legs outside. Yeah.
Can I see your poster?
And I'm on the top.
Show us your posters!
I can't read that far.